Every day, nature sets the test for every surface built for the outdoors through sunlight, humidity, rain and time, constantly pushing its limits. Exterior laminates are exposed to harsh environmental conditions every day. To ensure their protection, two key surface treatments stand out: UV film protection and hot coating protection. Conventional UV film panels use a PMMA-based layer for UV protection. Our advanced hot coating panels use German-engineered polyurethane and UV-cured acrylic lacquer, creating a much stronger surface bond and provides better environmental protection. Over time, hot coating demonstrates superior surface wear and enhanced durability compared to UV film. Unlike the soft surface of UV film, hot coating technology strengthens the surface at the molecular level, drastically reducing the tendency to scratch. Under extreme wet and humid conditions, hot coating ensures superior resistance and long-lasting performance. It also enhances color fastness, keeping bright decorative surfaces vivid for years, while UV film tends to lose color fastness over time. Both technologies protect your laminates. UV film remains a reliable choice for regular exterior applications, while hot coating, built with advanced polyurethane and UV lacquer, offers enhanced protection, durability, and long-lasting color brilliance. Whether you choose UV film or hot coating, our laminates are engineered to last. Two technologies, one promise: superior performance.